In today's video, let's talk about how to fix Instagram cannot edit bio. So if you're trying to edit the current bio that you have or trying to add in a new bio to your Instagram profile, and if you're having issues with it, the first thing that you need to make sure is that the links or any sort of special characters that you're adding in are available or are allowed inside of Instagram. So Instagram blocks the bios containing unapproved links or links from shortened websites, as well as font or heavy emojis. So if you're trying to add something like this, make sure you avoid that and you should be good to go. Now, if this is not the case for you and if you have tried editing your bio multiple times, this may also be preventing your bio. So what I mean by that is if you have edited your bio multiple times, this may have caused the action block. So what you need to do is wait out at least 24 hours before you can add in the bio again. So make sure you do that. And if none of these solutions are working out for you, and if this is not the case for you as well, what you need to do is uninstall Instagram from your device and then again re-download it. This is likely the cause of app bug. So once you uninstall the application and download the latest version, you should be good to go. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.